back with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time with your dishes, guys. Lovely dishes and amazing dishes, drinks, food, everything, you name it. And you also can claim it. Remember, Christmas is coming up very soon and we got a lot of recipe for Christmas. We start to put out some Christmas tips already and there's more to come. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and remember to get a copy of my cooking book online from Amazon, and it's the best price ever in this world. We love you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice, guys, as you can see. A couple months ago I did some pizza with some baguette bread. And it did, you know what I mean, I get a lot of feedback from it, good feedback. They did like it. And you know what I mean, I have some right here, some beef burger bun, the big one there. And I'm gonna show you again how you can do this at home. Mix some pizza with some burger bun. First of all, get some chopped tomato sauce. You can get this at any local shop or supermarket. Simple. Spread it just on it like this, guys. Get that beautiful color. The tomato sauce, sell it in any local shop. That's the beauty. You don't need to stress yourself and wonder, oh my god, where am I gonna get the tomato sauce now? And Chef Ricardo did the video and not even tell me anything about the sauce. Anyway, you can get the sauce at any local shop, supermarket. You know, I was passing by the supermarket and I saw the sauce and I just brought it and I said, I got some pizza, some burger bun at my house and I'm gonna make some pizza. Very easy and simple recipe, guys, where you can do for you and the kids and when you come from work, especially if you're a person who work 9 to 5, come home really tired, and you know what I mean, you just want to do something very easy because probably the kids have a heavy meal at school and you don't want to cook any heavy food. You want to do something very simple. So basically, as you can see, what I'm doing right here is so easy, guys. Then second thing, I'm gonna put on some cheese. If you want to put any filling, you're free to put on any filling on top of it like that. So as you can see, this is just so easy and simple, guys. So basically the recipe is just straightforward, nothing complicated, as you can see. And I'm just putting on a little bit around this one. And now we're gonna just do 2 with sweet corn. Alright, and the sweet corn is some frozen sweet corn. All you need to do is just cook them in the microwave for about 3 seconds and get it out. Alright, I run out some pipe water. So that's the sweet corn pizza. And just gonna put a little bit more cheese. A little bit more cheese. Second thing, preheat the oven first. That's one of the main things you need to do. After you preheat your oven, guys, basically gas mark 7 or 8 for about 10 minutes till the cheese melt off. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. I just take them from the oven, guys, as you can see, looking lovely and fantastic. We're gonna just put them on a plate and make you guys see the way they look lovely and nice. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely, guys, as you can see the way they're looking, so fantastic and really nice. Easy and simple recipe. You can have this with a nice lovely glass of drink or a nice lovely cup of mint tea or chocolate tea, whatever tea you like. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for show you all, guys, to make the pizza. Easy and simple, as you can see. Simple recipe. Look after yourself and take care of yourself, and see you next time. Bye bye.